Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. By names of Abbey Gertrude, and I'm going to talk about introduction to Microsoft Excel. So as we all know, Excel is used in making our report cards in our schools. It is used in calculating employers' salary. It is used in different things, so it is important in different aspects of life. So I'm going to just talk about it, what it contains, what it has, everything about Excel. So as we all know that Excel can be opened in various ways. So for me, I will come here to the start button, then I will be like I'm typing Excel. So even before I complete the word, it is brought to me. So I'll open it. I'll open, they'll bring for me a blank page. So this is the page they have brought for us. So these ones are called sheets. These are sheets, and we all know that sheets, this is like a workbook. A workbook is a collection of sheets. So in what the sheets are organized in terms of columns and rows. So these are columns are in alphabets. We have A, B, C, D up to Z, and then we have also rows which are 1, 2, 3 up to 8, up to 100 maybe. Then so this is a cell. When a column and a row, they form what we call a cell. So this is a cell, and also we have cell reference. Is a combination of columns and cells, columns and rows. So this is, remember, this is our row and this is our column. So this one, it's what we call cell reference, which is going to be called now A1. So A1 is this. So we also have what we call active and inactive cells. So this one is what we are going to call the active cell, which appears in a bold green line, and these ones are inactive cells. And also, so if you want another sheet, I think you can come here. They will tell you new sheet, you tap it. I don't want to tap it because I may distract my work, but that's how you get the new sheet. You come here and tap it. So now we also have what we call formulas and functions. Formulas are user defined, while functions are system built. So we are going to maybe give an example of what we are going to. So this is what we call a formula bar. So all the formulas will come here. Let me see. So the formulas you want, as you are writing them here on your work, they will come here. This is what we call the formula bar. So we are going to just give an example and see how the functions work. So I'm going to do a little bit of maybe giving some work. Then here I will type maybe SST, then math, which is MTC. Then I will come here, maybe write some few names, maybe peace. Then I will say maybe Peter. Peter. Maybe I will come here and say joy. We are just putting the people's names. Tom. So maybe we shall stop on number 6, which I will say maybe Sam. Then we shall now put the marks. I will say this one got 56, and this one got 57. This one got 89, and this one got 90, and also this one got maybe a 45. Then we shall come to math, do the same. Math. So I'm just going to teach you how this thing works. So now here I'm going to say total. So here we are going to get the total of people. Then I will come here and I will say equals. You have to start with the equal sign, then I will say sum, then they will bring it for us. This is now the functions. So when they bring for us the sums, we shall come here and then we shall say equals sum then they will bring for us something like that. Then we shall come here, we shall do this, highlight up to there, then we say enter. Now they have brought for us the total of his mark, his mark. Then here we have this plus and this faint plus, so this is the one we are going to use. Then you come and go down like this up to the last person, then they will bring for you their totals. So this is all I had for you guys. Like, we can use different terms. We have average, we have positions, we have different things you can put here and also find them for you. Just write it, just put the equal sign and write what you want, then they'll bring it for you. Anyways, thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.